We're starting out this reading with Oshun, the goddess of love and destruction. Someone here, they're having an outburst, Divine Collective. I'm getting destructive behavior in this reading, okay? Someone having an outburst. Someone's karmic twin that can't be trusted. Oshun is here, watching over this situation, Divine Collective. This karmic twin can't be trusted, Oshun says. You're being protected. I'm getting protective energy around this storyline, okay? Someone may have lost their job here. They're coming off as very low vibrational. This could be someone who's abusive, Divine Collective. Maybe this is the type of person where if something goes wrong, they take it out on everybody around them, and you're being protected from energy such as this, Divine Collective. Yeah, someone could have lost a job here. Someone here is telling others that you're doing spell work on them. They're lying. Okay, I feel like you've quietly ghosted the situation in a way, Divine Collective. You've kind of walked away from this person. You've detached from this energy, I feel, that told others you were doing spell work over them. They were lying. They're now under judgment, Spirit says. Alright, that's probably why they've lost a job, Divine Collective. They're under judgment. This is karma, okay? People really like what you have to say because it resonates. I'm speaking to someone, a speaker. You could possibly be in the public eye, possibly a guide, a teacher here, Divine Collective. Whatever the case may be, people really like what you have to say because it resonates. You may be working on a creative project in the moment. Someone here paid someone to hurt you, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on heinous acts here, heinous acts. Someone paying someone to hurt you. They lied and told someone that you were doing spell work on them. Someone possibly paid a practitioner, Divine Collective, and they told this practitioner that you were doing spell work on them. All along they were lying, okay? They didn't want you to step into the spotlight here, Spirit is telling me. Something about you stepping into the spotlight, because this is what you deserve, and these people are now getting what they deserve. This is what I'm hearing. Very, very just cut to the point, Spirit says. You are getting what you deserve, Divine Collective, and they're getting what they deserve, okay? Someone wanted to control you through fear here. I'm picking up on handlers, Divine Collective, puppet masters trying to control through fear. There's an investigation that I'm picking up on in the storyline. A legal document. Spirit is saying to read this legal document fully, Divine Collective. Okay, this is a legal document. The initial N, first, middle, or last, is here. Spirit says stop expecting honesty from people who lie to themselves, Divine Collective. Stop expecting honesty from people who lie to themselves. The name Richard is here. Richard could be of significance. Richie, Richard, Rick. Spirit says this person tried to make you the scapegoat for their crimes. Their evil intentions were calculated. Like I said, they're getting what they deserve based on their intentions towards you, Divine Collective. Alright? They're very evil intentions. Okay? Spirit no longer has any patience for any games. Okay? With these energy vampires, no more patience. They failed to take you out and now they're under judgment. They got what they deserved, Spirit says. These are people who are very deeply envious of your light, Spirit says. Something about a frog tongue or an animal tongue. Someone possibly used a tongue in spell work, Divine Collective. I don't know what that's about. I don't really ever pick up on what they use in the spell work, but I'm picking up on like a frog tongue, which is rare because I never do, Divine Collective, but hey, new gifts. There's a lot of secret animosity here, Divine Collective, because you're moving forward. I heard you are destined to be wealthy. You are destined to be famous here. This person is refusing to change. This whole process feels painful. Not for you, Divine Collective, but for these energies. It feels very painful for those refusing to change, okay? You are someone who humbles people. You are sent into others' lives to help to humble them, Divine Collective. Someone wants to make amends. Now they need you, Spirit says. They want to make amends. Now they need you. What's this about, Spirit? 5:44 on the clock. Something about sad news, heartache, grief, okay? Someone wants to speak to you. Someone that was fabricating rumors about you now wants to speak to you because they feel they need you. I'm picking up on a secretive group here. Someone possibly exposing a group that they were connected to in secret, Divine Collective. You've been kept well hidden. Every small step is bringing you closer and closer to your inheritance. Be mindful of someone coming in with an ingenuine apology. Spirit keeps speaking of the eyes, so make sure you're paying attention to people's eyes, okay? There's a darkness that I'm picking up on in someone's eyes here, Divine Collective. This is who is giving you this ingenuine apology. It's a dead giveaway. When you look into their eyes, it's going to be very empty, very dark, Divine Collective, okay? This is someone who was going down the wrong path. They needed your energy to survive, Spirit says, okay? Capricorn, the devil. And now they're dying because they no longer have your energy. They're desperate, Divine Collective, okay? But they can't get close to you at all, Capricorn. Someone here needs to learn a karmic lesson first. 7:22 on the clock. What was said does not define you, Spirit says. Good things are coming for you. The initial S is here, first, middle, or last. It's time for you to now focus on the future, Divine Collective. Yeah, these energies, they're being exposed for trying to take your destiny. Okay? Focus on yourself and stay silent, Divine Collective. Yes. Someone hired a hitman here. This is wild. Trust where you are led. 8:07 on the clock. Someone is now receiving a very rude awakening, Divine Collective. Okay? You will eventually hear about it. You will eventually hear about it. Whoever this is receiving a harsh, rude awakening, Divine Collective. Yeah, your family stole your inheritance. Confirmed. They wanted to stop you from getting to your inheritance. Part of me feels like they knew that they would never be able to stop you, but they did everything in their power to delay you, Divine Collective. Fake legal documents I'm picking up on. Something about reading these legal documents carefully, okay, when they're brought to you, Divine Collective. These are fake legal documents. Read them carefully. The initial F is here, 8:56 on the clock. You are under divine protection. Do not ignore your intuition, Divine Collective. If you can dream it, you can do it, Spirit says. I'm seeing the infinity sign here. Golden infinity sign, 9:16 on the clock. These people have so much karmic debt, Divine Collective. There's an accumulation of karmic debt that I'm picking up on within this family that you have broken free of, Divine Collective, okay? That you were sent in to humble, to help, as you were sent in as a guardian angel for these people, Divine Collective. Wow. Something is about to hit this group like a bolt of lightning, Spirit says. Extra confirmation.